now we are out at the Howl at the Moon event. Now this thing happens every full moon. That's when it happens. So it happens every full moon of the month, and they have a big get together out here at the foothills, which is east of Yuma, and it's kind of a big deal, as you can see. And there's a few vendors out here, but mostly it's not. Mostly it's people bringing their folded chairs, which we did bring. They're just still in the car, but it's not too far off the interstate there, which is out there. And of course they got live music, so that's pretty cool. It did charge $10 to get in, but after a certain time it's free, so it cost us nothing because we're a little late. But you see the moon's going to show up either somewhere up there or somewhere. We got a little cloud cover today, which is actually pretty rare for this area. But however, we're going to be able to see a beautiful sunset. But hey, that's normal for Arizona, I tell you. So now I'm out here at Lake Havasu. This is actually the California side. It's called Havasu City or something like that. Anyway, this is a casino here. Do a little bit of gambling, I guess you'd say that. I kind of play around with it a little bit. I'm not a big gambler, but I like it. It's fun, it's entertaining. But you got an RV park here, and you look across this beautiful lake. That, of course, is Lake Havasu. About ready to go on a ferry ride. It's coming across here now, and it's going to pick us up and take us back to the other side, because it's like $5 to get on it on the Arizona side, and it rides you here to the casino, and then it's basically free to go back, or $5 round trip, whatever. But it's a pretty good deal. This is something to do. This is actually a beach, as you can tell. It's pretty cool. Lots of trash cans, and right here on this side of the casino, it's got a hotel here also. But this side of the casino, they've got they do live bands and stuff in here on the weekends. I'm sure with a beach like this, it's a little grainy than what I'm used to in Florida, but it's not bad. It's almost white. It's got a little white tint. At least it's not dark brown like you see in reservoirs. But anyway, it's pretty cool. So there's another cool view of this place. Sunsets are always just so stunning here. They really are. We're hoping that it's going to break up right in there underneath, so as the sun goes down, you can see them shoot light beams on the bottom side of these clouds, which is what it normally does around here. But it always looks like that, I swear. It's just beautiful. And we are off on another adventure. We're actually letting the dog pee over there. Looks like it's a day-used camping spot. There's only one car out here now. I actually don't see any people. There's some ducks over there. Kind of a nice little area, good place to fish, I would say. According to these birds here, they say it's a good place to fish. We're only about 7 miles, maybe 7 miles. Actually, we're about 5 miles from our campsite at the RV park. But it's pretty deserted. It's called Fortuna Lake. And this is part of it. I think it's called Fortuna Pond. Kind of cool. So one of the more beautiful things about being here in Arizona are the sunsets. And I know there's sunsets all over the country. I get that. But look at this one. And that still really doesn't do it justice. Well, here we go again. We got ourselves another parade. Our Shriners are in here. As you can tell by the way I'm scantily dressed. So we're going to go to this parade here in southern Arizona. It's in Welton. It's just due east of Yuma, about, I don't know, 15 miles or so. They have a big event here and got a car show going on too, so they got the cars going in the parade, and we're actually just getting lined up. Should be a good time. Maybe I get you some more footage of doing some stops and messing with some people. We'll see. We are here at the Yuma Air Show. Today's our anniversary. And so I told them that in the city of Yuma that it was our anniversary, so they decided to have an air show the same day. Hey, I could pull some strings, huh? Anyway, so we're gonna walk around here, look at some of these things, and maybe show you some planes along our way. So come on and join us. Well, it's a lot of helicopters, like that one. There's some over there. A lot of different planes. I'm gonna check out a couple of them. Show you some things that I found that are a little unusual that you don't see every day. Some air shows, but show you some that you've probably seen before. Yeah, you don't see these Harriers much. They're distinctive only for the Marine Corps. Air Force doesn't have them. No one else has got the Harriers but the Marine Corps. This is a live one too. This is one that they actually fly. This isn't just a static display that they throw up here on a monument. This is live. Pretty cool. Get right up to it. That's a cool looking older plane, and I don't know exactly what it is. Maybe I'll figure it out and put it in the caption somewhere. They don't make them with these pinups anymore. They're allowed to recondition them and make touch-ups on them, but they're not allowed to put them on any of the new ones, from what I hear. It's all chromed out, isn't it? Ready for the dance. This is a drone. A lot of people think of drones as about 3.5 feet wide. Look how big this one is. People are standing next to it. This is an unmanned aircraft or drone. Is that not cool? I mean, it's huge, isn't it? It's a lot bigger when you come up to an air show. That's why I like going to air shows. You see stuff like this. I mean, it's massive. I can almost walk under this wing. I'm 6 foot without bending my head. He's like 6'4". So huge. So these are the F-22s. They're distinctive with the sleek styling and the angled rear twin wings. I'll be flying these later today. Someone said it was a rocket with a pilot seat in it. Pretty cool, huh? Here's one all painted up. It looks a little better than the gray ones, I think. I like the tail fins, huh? That's awesome. Commander Omar Sanusi. Howl, odd job. Let's see where we are here. Man, that's a big drone. This is one of the drag trucks. Maybe we'll see it later. I don't know if we're going to be here that long to see it. But it's pretty cool. He's got 2 jet engines on it. Veteran owned and operated.
Probably not on the ground that long. I don't know how that works.
I think that candy apple red. Looks good, doesn't it? Old school. Nice. This is an Osprey. This has capabilities of vertical takeoff, obviously, when they extend the propellers out, because they do that so they can put them in aircraft carriers and ship them places. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Big piece of machinery, that's for sure. We're going to go inside of it here in a minute. And then we're inside the Osprey. You can see all the electronics all over the inside of this thing. They need some sheetrock in here. Cover this up. Look how dirty it got. That's Arizona. That's Arizona dirt. That's what it is.
That's that guy. You might know. These are gun rams.
We'll see how low this is. I'll have to hit my head on this thing.
Put it down on there and shoot out.
I can touch up the top of my head.
Yes.
Watch your head, it says. Nice.
Yep.
Let's go see the cockpit. It's kind of like their version of the Apache, but well, anyway, this is not an Apache. If you've seen some of our other videos, they got the Apaches. I got a video of the inside of the Apache. Look at the tiger paint design. Normally they put your chief engineer or your chief of your maintenance. They'll put them on this side, and like I said, actually says division chief, and then they'll put the officer that flies it on the other side. That's a cool pilot plane right there. They're gonna race a plane and some supercars. They got a Porsche, Lamborghini, and a Corvette out here. Oh, they got some tactical vehicles here. Nice, huh? Yeah. Big Nasty. Yeah, that's kind of a four-wheel drive. That four-wheel drive, though. That's pretty sweet. Yeah, nice tank. Like it. I don't know what kind it is. I'll put it somewhere here in the caption. They got a proving ground out here that they test tanks from, not far from here in Yuma. It's pretty cool. It shows you one of them there. M2. Something. Why not pull something that'll do some damage? The reinforced windows, that's crazy. That thing on a turret, let it spin, huh? Look at that Hummer though. Yeah, it don't hurt. F-16s here. They're at a demonstration team. I'm about to start up. Speakers are loud. In fact, that's some of the pilots over there.
Because of all those sensors and that helmet that we're talking about, it's just part of the game.
Woo, that's loud. Border Patrol got a yeah. I'm surprised that they're not more way over there, like that third one down. But that's where they ought to be. They're recruiting down there. And also in the boats. Border Patrol, you know what? They said they'll take you even if you're in your 50s, believe it or not, and with no background. Well, if you have no military background, if you have military background, they'll take you past 55. Isn't that amazing? Check out some of these drones they have. This one's 4 feet wide. It's good size. And they got some of the smaller ones here, so they're pretty cool. Sorry about their language. Potty mouse over there. To do that, by the way, I mean a whole lot of fuel, which is why they don't do it much. That's crazy, isn't it? Definitely not something you see every day. Boy, is it loud. new videographer. Taking applications. He's coming straight down. That's all kinds of cool.